This is a teardown of a Speedstream 5200 Ethernet/USB ADSL modem, and the specific part number is 060-E242-A13, and just a regular old DSL modem. I believe there's a screw hidden somewhere. I don't think it's under the feet on this. I've tore some of these apart in the past, but I haven't tore one apart on video. I might just want to peel up this label. Normally when I tear these apart, I just bounce them off the floor really hard. But nope, this is not going to be one of those times. Unless I can't find the screw, and then it might bounce off the floor. Oh, no. There's a screw here somewhere. Just don't know where. There it is. Just pull this off real quick. Close enough. So there's the screw. It's just your normal plastic clamshell case with some snaps. Alright, let's get into floor treatment. Floor treatment is not so bad once you get this case screw out, but yeah. So got all of the DC input, power filtering and regulation right over here by the power jack. I'm guessing this chip here is oh, I forget what these do. It has something to do with the Ethernet port. I think it's like isolation or whatever. Then you got your modem side of the board here. And looks like a Texas Instruments chip that is the brains of the operation. Got an AMD chip there, which is probably flash memory. And then we got a Samsung chip, which is more than likely RAM. I just wonder if some of the modem components wrap around the corner here. But yeah, not too much to see on the inside of this. Kind of surprised I haven't tore one of these apart before. I'm not sure what this little push button does under the modem. It was covered up by the label, so I don't know if it's like a switch for controlling like programming mode or something like that, but not something designed to be user accessible apparently. But yeah, that's what the inside of a Speedstream 5200 modem looks like. Hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.